Hello happy people, Hamza here and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to create a terms of use page for your hotel booking website, just like this one over here. And this terms of use page is very important, especially when someone's making a booking. For example, at the booking page over here, someone actually has to confirm before they book that they have read the terms and conditions of your hotel before they place the booking. And once they click over here, this is how it will display, and right here they can scroll through and read through the terms page without actually leaving their booking confirmation page right here. So how do we do this exactly? So we are simply going to come right back here to our pages and we're going to add a new page. Let me just name this page Hotel Terms. Okay, and then I'm going to say publish. Now you can choose between two editors. You can either use Elementor to create your page or you can use Gutenberg. In this case, I'll use Gutenberg. And right here, you can simply add your terms for your hotel. And you can add titles right here for every section. You can change this to a title or a heading. Here you can talk about refunds. Just give it like a heading too. And over here I can say cancellations. I can change this to a heading. I can talk about guests and kids. And I can down here talk about coupons. And that's all. So basically you have created your terms of use page. So here we can preview our page. See, hotel terms, terms of use, refunds, cancellation, guests and kids, and coupons. So we have finished creating our terms of use page. What I simply just need to do now is update. Now when we head back to our dashboard and we look at all pages, we realize that now we have our hotel terms page listed over here, published just 2 minutes ago. Now what we need is just simply come over here to the settings, under accommodations, under general settings, come to the terms and conditions, and over here we have to choose our hotel terms page, which is this hotel terms, and I'm simply going to say update. Once we update, now we can go to our accommodations and we try to book an accommodation. I'll just say this one and I'll just check availability and I'll say reserve this room. And when I scroll right down here, you see we have something called terms and conditions. And when someone clicks over here, they are going to read our terms page that we have allocated to be as our terms and conditions page. You see, refunds, cancellations, guests and kids, and coupons. So in a nutshell, that's how you can create a terms page or a terms and conditions page for your hotel booking website so that it can guide you and also help you answer most of the questions that your guests may have when they arrive at your hotel.